Is going to be fake. Now, I've watched sword swallowing over the years evolve from something that was entertaining and educational, somewhat classic and mystifying, into basically a giant game of chicken. And now for my contribution to this giant game of chicken, without further ado.
He is the only man in the world that swallows swords while doing the chicken dance. Believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen. It's cheaper than therapy, ladies and gentlemen. That is beautiful. We have about a dozen sword swallowers here today. It's going to be swallowed with the actual count of how many. And it is the largest gathering of female sword swallowers in the world, right here today on 42nd Street.
I don't know if this is still true, but a couple of
Looking.
I'm looking. I don't know if that's still true. Probably true.